And now, here recording live in my head. the truck derby or something. Like, you spilled all my brother's Yu-Gi-Oh cards.
I'll pick them up.
He's got to stay on the ground.
Don't break them.
Ow. You can't put it on top of that. Take your person out of his stuff.
Don't whip yourself.
I thought they were supposed to stay on the floor, guys.
I don't want it.
Don't break them. Jude, your truck's messed up.
Back over.
Now just surface wetting.
Noogie.
Oh, they're so emo.
What? No, Matt, they called us emo. Don't touch me.
That's not going.
Sit down.
Hey, pick up the Yu-Gi-Oh cards.
I will.
Don't break this. Watch out.
He's emo.
Try no.
Tress.
He's emo.
That was nice.